Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to a Whatnot stream. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get started with Whatnot. And if you haven't already, you can check out the link down below where I have a full tutorial on how to sell Pokemon cards on Whatnot. So let's go ahead and log onto Whatnot. And then on the bottom middle hand side, click on Seller Hub, and then go ahead and click on your upcoming show. Click on your show, and then on the bottom right hand corner, click on Shop. Then click on the plus icon on the bottom right hand corner again, and then click on Create Temporary Listing. So now decide the category. So we're just going to select Pokemon cards, click on Next, set the title. So we're going to call this Singles. And then we're going to set it to an auction. And then for the quantity, we're going to set it to 150. For the shipping profile, this is based on the weight of the product. So because we're going to be selling a single card, it's usually going to be about 1 ounce per card. So we're going to set it to 1 ounce. And then afterwards, click on Add Listing. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add items to a Whatnot stream. If you guys haven't signed up for Whatnot just yet, you can check out my video down below in the description where I have a full tutorial on how to start selling Pokemon cards and whatnot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.